Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some delicious peanut butter and jelly mini muffins. They are seriously so good. They're like the perfect little bite-sized treat. They are gluten-free, they are low in sugar, and they taste seriously so good. So on top, to give it that nice, beautiful swirl of peanut butter and jelly, we're actually gonna be making our very own homemade strawberry jam. And I'm gonna show you how to make it. I love strawberries, and we are just getting into strawberry season. And I'm thrilled to be partnering with California Strawberries in today's video. So I absolutely love all things strawberry. Like when we get into strawberry season, I just am so excited because they are bright, they're vibrant, they're juicy, they taste so good. But strawberries are also really healthy. They are high in antioxidants, and they also have nutrients like potassium, folate, and they're full of fiber. So they're a great option to add into your diet if you don't already eat strawberries, which I'm sure you do. And there are so many different ways to use them. I'm gonna be showing a couple of videos in the next couple of months to show you some of my favorite strawberry recipes. But today we are focusing on these delicious peanut butter and jelly mini muffins, which, like I said, have that awesome homemade strawberry jam on top, and they so good. So if you do want to follow along with this recipe, you can find more information down in the description box. And actually, one really exciting thing that California Strawberries is doing during strawberry season is the Strawberry Challenge. And all you have to do is make a recipe from their site, post it on Instagram, tag CA Strawberries, and use California or CA Strawberry Challenge hashtag, and you will be entered to win one of 15 $200 Visa gift cards. So it's a really great way to not only encourage you to get into the kitchen, but also to pick up some yummy strawberries, and you can get a little prize also. So if you do want to do that, make sure to check out more on Instagram. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into our delicious mini bite-sized muffins. All right, so the first step is to make our strawberry jam. I just want to show you how beautiful these California strawberries are. They are bright, luscious, so juicy, and they're just seriously delicious. Definitely be sure to look for the strawberries that are fully red all the way from top to bottom, as those ones have the most flavor and the most juiciness. I've said that a bunch. But first step with our strawberry jam is to remove the tops. I just use my hands. You can also use one of those little strawberry corers, up to you. Once you've removed all the tops, you can add all of those strawberries into your blender. From there, we're gonna just add in a little bit of maple syrup, which is gonna help with the sweetness of the jam. Pop the lid on your blender, and I like to use the Vitamix tamper to kind of get it all mixing around. You don't need to add any extra liquid than just the maple syrup. So once you have it mostly blended and it's kind of like a chunky-ish puree, you will pour that into a small saucepan. Follow it up with your chia seeds. I like to use white chia seeds with strawberries because I just like the way that it looks when it's done. It looks just like seeds from the strawberries. And then we will stir that all together and bring it to a simmer it for a good kind of 10-ish minutes, and then we will remove it from the heat, let it cool down a little bit, and then you can transfer it into your jar. I recommend making the strawberry jam the day before you make the muffins, just so that it does have time to thicken up as much as possible. And you can just store this in the container with the jar sealed, the lid on, and in your fridge. Now let's move on to our muffins. So our muffin base is going to be banana, mashed banana, as well as 1 egg. You could also use a flax egg, some maple syrup, peanut butter, and almond milk. Whisk that together until everything is nice and smooth and incorporated, and then you'll just set that aside and move on to your dry ingredients. For your dry ingredients, we are using oat flour. I recommend store-bought oat flour for these muffins. It just gives them a better texture, as well as quinoa flour, almond flour, coconut sugar, and baking powder. You could also use a pinch of cinnamon if you wanted. Whisk that together, and then we will just pour the wet ingredients directly into our dry ingredients and mix it all together. The batter will be kind of on the thick side. Then you will set that aside and line a mini muffin tin with little mini liners. And we will just fill each muffin tin with the batter, and we're gonna fill it almost to the top. So it's a good like 3/4, if not higher, filled. Once you have all of your muffin batter in your little cups, and then we're gonna add a little dollop of the jam as well as a dollop of peanut butter. Since these are mini muffins, I did probably 1/8 of a teaspoon, maybe even a little less of each, but you don't wanna do too much because it will just like seep over the sides, but this is a good amount, just a tiny little dollop. And then use a toothpick to swirl the peanut butter and jelly into the muffin, and it's gonna give you that really cool marble effect once they are baked. Then we'll just pop that in the oven for about 8 minutes. They cook really quickly since they're little, and you can remove them, and then you have these gorgeous little bite-sized peanut butter and jelly muffins with homemade strawberry jam. It is to die for. Absolutely delicious. And the final step is to enjoy your little muffins. I love to add another little dollop of strawberry jam because it gives them even more sweetness and more strawberry flavor. They are honestly so cute, so great. They are delicious, they're easy to make, and they're also great for like kid snacks and also as like a little party or brunch appetizer. So I definitely recommend making them, and I can't wait to hear what you think. And there you have it, my friends. That is how to make delicious peanut butter and jelly mini muffins. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to California Strawberries for joining us in today's video. Like I said, we have a couple more videos coming your way in the next couple of months to celebrate all things strawberries. So I feel like I've said the word strawberry a bajillion times in this video, but I am just so excited because they're honestly one of my favorite fruits, and I couldn't be more thrilled to create some really delicious recipes for you. So if you have any recipe questions, you can drop those down in the comments. And of course, make sure to check out the full recipe, which is in the description box. We also have it over on Instagram with some photos, which I think you would really enjoy. And that's pretty much all I've got for you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are not yet part of our awesome community here on YouTube, I would love for you to subscribe. Just tap the red button that is right below this video that says subscribe. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.